Today we're going to be testing out the Benks Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And this screen protector is not just like any regular tempered glass. This screen protector has a sapphire coating to help it be more scratch resistant. And you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable the screen protector is. And if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting links in the video description. So let's get started. So we get one screen protector inside an installation guide and an installation packet. So Benks makes installing your screen protector super easy. All you need to do is take this whole piece here, making sure that the sticker is on the bottom of your phone and this portion is going towards the camera on your phone. Just simply place this whole thing right over your phone just like that. Press it into place. Then you're going to hold on to the sides of the guide and we're going to pull out this little tab on the bottom here. And then just simply slide this whole piece up to the top of your phone. Once you've done that, you can lift up on the guide. So we do have some bubbles on the screen, so I'm just going to lift up on the screen to release those bubbles. Alright, so I was able to get those bubbles out using my finger and a credit card to kind of push them out. The screen protector does seem to pretty much come right up to the edge of the phone, so it may not be case compatible with all cases. The edges are nicely rounded off. This is also a full coverage screen protector and it does have a cover for your earpiece speaker as well. Now I've tried screen protectors out that do have this little cover and it does not seem to affect the volume of the speaker. As far as touch, feels nice and smooth just like the glass that's on the phone. And for fingerprints, it does pick up some smudges, but you can very easily just wipe those away with minimal effort. Let's test out our Face ID. Face ID works fine. Let's test out our camera. Camera also looks nice and clear, so no issues there. The screen protector is also crystal clear and doesn't seem to affect touch at all. Feels really nice. The screen protector also has black borders all the way around the screen to help it kind of blend in with your phone. So let's put it in our case. Here I have the Benks Armor Pro case. So there it is in the case and it looks to fit perfectly. It almost comes right up to the edge of the case. I don't see any lifting. And me, personally, I like when there's not much of a gap between the case and the screen protector because that doesn't leave a lot of place for dust to collect. Now, when the screen protector doesn't leave much gap around the screen, it may not be compatible with most other cases, but if you're using this case by Benks, you'll know that it is compatible. So everything's looking great so far. I like this screen protector. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. 4 feet. 5 feet. 6 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 6-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So typically tempered glass starts to scratch around a number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and just a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So the screen protector was pretty easy to install. As far as case compatibility goes, it might not be compatible with most cases because it does come pretty close to the edge of the phone. It lasted up until a 6-foot drop and scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So I would recommend the screen protector and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you guys want to pick the screen protector up yourself, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.